Guys, in this video, I am going to show you how to compress PDF file size without losing quality. First, you will need to open your preferred browser and in the Google search bar type I love PDF. Go to the official website of I love PDF. When you go to the official website, then you will see this type of interface. Here you will see a lot of tools. But in this case, we select the tool of compress PDF. When you click on compress PDF, here you will see the select PDF file option. Simply click on it. When you click on it, choose the PDF file in your PC and laptop. Like I choose this file, this PDF file, and click on open. When you click on open, here in the right side you will see three options. The middle option is recommended for compression. So select as per your needs and simply click on compress PDF. When you click on compress PDF, here you will see my PDF is compressed to 37%. So simply click on download compress PDF and your PDF will be downloaded on your PC and laptop. That's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.